Hi, myself Pulkit Agarwal, and I'm a master's student under Professor Andrea Vacca. The topic of my research is development of a gasoline engine driven ultra high pressure radial piston pump. This is the pump I am planning to work on.
This figure shows the inner casing of a radial piston pump. As you can see, there are 4 displacement chambers radially arranged around a cam. As the cam is rotated eccentrically and not about its geometric center, it provides a reciprocating motion to the pistons, which causes pumping of the fluid in each of the displacement chambers. A distinctive feature of this design is the presence of ball check valves to control the entry and exit of the flow through the displacement chambers. The objective of my research is to design a radial piston pump that functions efficiently at pressures as high as 2500 bars. To achieve this, we are planning to develop a multi-domain simulation tool, which will be a generic tool for optimizing the design and hence enhancing the efficiency of radial piston pumps which operate at ultra-high pressures. As shown in the figure, it consists of a geometric model that calculates the kinematic parameters, a global fluid dynamic model that simulates the main flow through the pump, and a fluid structure interaction model for the lubricating gaps present in the pump. Talking first about the global fluid dynamic model, we have used the lumped parameter approach to simulate the main flow occurring through the pump parts, wherein each of the displacement chambers is modeled as a single control volume and solved for. The model is capable of calculating the pressure and flow rate through each of the displacement chambers and also at the outlet. Modeling of lubricating gaps was simplified in this case by assuming a constant gap height between a piston and the cylinder. This is how the implementation of the fluid dynamic model looks in AmiSim, with each of the 4 displacement chambers represented by a sequence of components. We have already achieved a few preliminary results for the main flow as shown. For example, this figure shows the pressure ripple at the pump outlet. The figure below depicts the pressure generation in each displacement chamber, along with the timing of the opening and closing of the 2 check valves. Coming to the second and most important part of the project is to analyze the lubricating gaps present in the pump, because it is at the lubricating gaps of hydrostatic machines that the major power losses take place due to viscous friction and leakages. In the current pump design, we have 2 gaps present in the pump. First one being the piston-cylinder interface, and the second one, cam-piston interface. To get an accurate picture of the fluid flow at these 2 gaps, we are in the process of developing detailed CFD models, the results of which will be shared soon. Thank you.